In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design Sendgrid email template. So in order to design those, you first need to head over to sendgrid.com, and from in there, head over and click onto this Start for Free option. You can also see their plans and pricing. If you want to sign up, just click onto this button and proceed to sign up. Once you have done that, you can proceed to log in if you already have an account. Just click onto the sign in option right there. Now, having your this documentation on designing SendGrid template, you can actually do so by sending an email with dynamic templates that they have available. Make sure that you have a SendGrid account, an unsubscribe group, but this one is optional, as well as API key. Open the dynamic templates page and click on the create template. Choose for the unique template that you want, then click on save. To begin the editing, just head over and add a version. Select an editor, typically SendGrid editor, and click on continue. You can design your template by using handlebars, where you can input several information or blocks in order to add some more contents. You can set the template active to enable sending. Here is your editor. Make sure to make it active right here for the actual design. You can also add unsubscribe modules for this, and you can also try to send a transactional email. Here is what it would look like on a CURL to set up your call into something like this. It's also important to note that you can also use two sections for this part, and you can also add another addition to specify the template IDs. Now for the dynamic template, you can see the template ID right here. Proceed to add version if you want to use or create a new particular template and email design from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. So if you have any questions, you can comment them down below as well.